Today's recipe is trending on the internet right now. We'll be making hot chocolate balls. It's a cute little gift to give to your friends and family during Christmas, and also all the ingredients that you need are available at your home. So let's get on with it.
First, we'll be melting our dark chocolate, but please make sure that you do not heat it too much because we want the chocolate consistency to be a little thick, just like this. Here I'm using a silicone mold, but if you do not have this one, then you can just use a foil paper and shape it up as you like. Then we'll put some melted chocolate into each cavity. Then we'll be using the back of a spoon to push the chocolate upwards till it covers the whole cavity. Make sure that you use a generous amount of chocolate because otherwise the walls of the shell will be too thin and they'll crack when we try to demold them. Now we'll put this in the freezer for about 5 minutes. As you can see, the chocolate shells have hardened and now we'll slowly pull back the silicone mold and take out our shiny chocolate semicircles. While demolding, some shells might crack and that's totally fine. We'll repeat the same process using white chocolate. We'll fill some shells with cocoa powder, powdered sugar and a pinch of cinnamon. We'll fill the other shells with some mini marshmallows. Finally, it's time to assemble our hot chocolate bombs. We'll take a chocolate semicircle and rub it over a warm non-stick pan so that the edges become sticky and it becomes easier to glue the two shells together. We'll repeat the process for all the shells. I'm drizzling some white chocolate over these hot chocolate bombs to make them more fancy, but you can totally skip this step out. In a cup, I'm taking two hot chocolate bombs, one with marshmallows and the other with cocoa powder, powdered sugar and cinnamon. Moment of truth. When we pour hot milk over the chocolate bombs, the marshmallows should just pop up, and that means that we've done everything right. And they did pop up, and look how beautiful that looks. I'll also show you how the white chocolate bombs dissolve into this pure deliciousness.
Wasn't that a fun thing to make? I think December is the month to relish these hot chocolate bombs. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you try this recipe out, do let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Until next time.